Seth Shostak here, senior astronomer at the SETI Institute. And you know, a number of you have been asking in response to some of my inoffensive videos here, how do I know that the aliens aren't here? Because I tend to be a little skeptical when people say, you know, they're buzzing the countryside, Navy pilots have seen these aliens, the government has them stacked up somewhere, probably Area 51. How do I know that isn't true? Well, of course, I don't know that it isn't true. I can't say that I'm absolutely sure that it isn't true, just as I'm not sure that there isn't a really good party going on right here in my office in the 10th, 11th, and 12th dimensions. I mean, it could be going on, but I don't know for sure. My suggestion is it's okay to be skeptical. Now, why am I skeptical about the aliens being here on Earth? The evidence. It's poor. I'm sorry, it's poor. It's almost all anecdotal. You know, you have eyewitness testimony. Anybody who's served on a jury knows that eyewitness testimony is about the worst kind of evidence you can have. And certainly in science, it's pretty crummy evidence. So you have thousands of people saying, yeah, I saw something in the sky, Bob, and I'm pretty sure it was an alien. Well, maybe it was an alien, or maybe it wasn't an alien. But you wouldn't take that as proof. What you really need is, I don't know, maybe satellites. There are thousands of them up there that see these things flying around. Well, you don't really have that. What about the amateur astronomers that never see these guys? What about the fact that only the U.S. government seems to see these things? That's pretty suspicious right there. I mean, you know, there's 6 billion, is it 7 billion, somewhere in there, humans on the planet. And if the aliens are really here, you'd think that they would have encounters with these humans all the time. Frankly, I think that the evidence is so poor that it's not surprising to me that very few scientists are convinced that we're being visited, and it's not that they're trying to cover it up. They would be happy to study. I mean, there'd be Nobel Prizes in it if they could, you know, find the good evidence that would convince them that they're here. So what I would say to you is, yeah, I can't prove that they're not here, but it's not on me to prove that they're not here. It's on you to prove that they are here.